Oh man, I've missed you. Man, this thing has nuts. I'm liking this combo a lot. 20K in the rear. Launch it into boulders. 200 in the middle. 80 in the front. I actually bought 500 for the center, but I don't know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, man. Let's put the ramp in front of this thing. Oh, that's pointed right at my head, right where I'm standing. Ooh, half throttle. I can't even see what's out there. I'm gonna turn that just a bit. I'm okay with certain degree of sketchiness, but I gotta go to work tomorrow, man. I got bills to pay. All right, let's get a backflip in. Oh, yes. Let's keep it sketchy. This thing rotates so fast though. If anything, in the same breath I'm saying let's keep it sketchy, but this thing rotating that fast is just like sometimes a little overwhelming, man. Yeah. We in the drink? On your wheels, babe. All right. It's screaming my name. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. The landing ain't too pretty, but I'm not ready to brake just yet. Right on. Crazy. All right, let's just try one. Oh, dead stop. Did not see that coming. Yeah, it's pretty soft down there. Okay, all right. Live and learn. The lesson is important. Wicked control though with the 3.8 Badlands. I don't know, maybe that's the theme today. Sketchy for me. I know there's a freaking lot of animals on YouTube. Definitely, but this thing. All right, here's my line, Send City. Yeah, the landings. Hey, all fours are hitting the ground, right? Give me props for that. Right on. This is awesome, man. Oh, we're running. The thing is durable, absolutely. Let's change gears, just have a keep it real on the other side too, keep it interesting. All right, so if we treat this like a tabletop, any chance of us clearing it? I need way more speed, way more runway. It has the speed. Freaking sick. You know what? Be crazy to change anything at this point. Like this thing. Oh! Guys, I am not trying to be destructive, but that was cool. Another little ramp up here would be neat. That way I could kind of pop off. What a freaking nut bar. So realistically, landing on that downslope wouldn't be so bad. Yeah, that's what I mean, right? That's what I mean. look at that. Smoothing her out. In the drink. What a freaking savage. This is so cool. This is the funnest bash I've had with this thing. You saw all fours land, right? Just saying. Oh man, this is awesome. And this weather today. I'm in a good mood, guys. I'm fired up. Oh, you prick. Not too bad. You son of a gun. Get out of there. What is the answer? If I wanted to slow down that rotation. Center diff? Is it center diff? Make a change to that? Changing tires? I know there's so many variables. Oh, it's through. Guys, I'm gonna slap this up like basically unedited. Like, these are the bashes I love seeing, like something realistic, something I actually can put together. Oh, yes. Yeah. Blind exit. Yeah. Right on. Man, you know what? I'm kind of liking that fast rotation now. You have a bit of a stall in the air. With the sketchy theme today, I've actually moved my ramp. Let me try to come this way a bit. Sketchy for me, again. Ooh, oh, I hope that's in frame. Woo, fresh packs, you could tell. So I haven't been bashing much this summer, guys. Anybody's noticed on the channels, I've been to a lot of, lucky enough, my cousin's got a wicked backyard track, and honestly, it's been a hoot. Okay. Finally enough stones to hit the the backflip. Okay, let's hit that line again. Oh yeah, man. I don't want to full send it yet. I don't know. Come on. I hope I'm turning my neck enough to catch that in the frame. I'm getting lucky with the landings in respect to, you know, being pretty soft. Obviously, I can land the landings. No, I'm loving the intense air control at this point now. It just takes a little getting used to, right? Like I said, I haven't been spending... Oh, this thing just wheelies whenever. This is cool. All right. Sketchy Sunday. Come on, baby. Oh. It's getting a little hot. Not sure if you saw that, but I'm pretty sure that one of my hopefully just came unglued. Ah, Borelli. I wanted the double, man. But as soon as that tire let go, you can feel air control just leave. Never mind the lawn dart landing. Let's see, can we resume? I don't have any backup tires. I'm not a big shooter. I don't think it's ruined though. Son of a gun. Let me see if I can fix it. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah! I would almost consider that clearing this. Yeah, that's pretty much. And I have a lot more speed before I'm topped out, that's for sure. Oh, I'm having too much fun here today, guys. This is awesome. T-shirt weather, late October. No kids for a day. That's terrible. It's got a high-speed wobble. Let's hope it's only because of that tire, but I've also done something to my... Oh my God. I'm still half trigger, man. Like, oh. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. Go home and see the fan, but I did have a freaking blast. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna bash this thing the most I can before the snow flies, and even then, but I prefer, like right now, the sweat's dripping in my eyes. That's what I'm into. Appreciate you all. Peace.